If you want to make 2024 the best year of your life as a graphic designer, you need to try this. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rel back in this video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get your first graphic design client fast. You're gonna get them today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if this works for you, come back in 30 days and let me know. And then I'm gonna send you my Cash App because you owe me some money. I'm just playing. Let's get started. All right, what you need today for this to work, you're gonna need a portfolio, an email account, a social media account, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you're using, and you're gonna need packages for your services. All right, guys, this is a little excerpt from my branding proposal. This works for any business. You will need Adobe Illustrator for you to edit the template, but this is available on my website, 86visions.com/shop. The link is available in the description. I love you. Get down to the packages. I like to give people 3 options. I don't want them to overthink the situation. I don't want them to underthink the situation. They need 3 options. Sometimes when you offer more than 3, people will go crazy. They'll get paralyzed by choice and they won't make a choice. Then you have to make it for them. So give them 3. It's what works best. It's the sweet spot for me, I've noticed.
Hey, yo. What do you mean by that?
Huh?
On the starter package, you got 4 services real quick. That one could be anywhere from $500 to $750. Your immediate package could be, you could have 6 services. That could be anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 to $2,000. Your complete package offers 8 services, and that can be anywhere from $2,500 to $6,000. Depending on who you talk to and their budget and what they need determines the decision they make. Yes, you can try to upsell them. Yes, you can try to, finagle it a little bit, but at the end of the day, people are gonna do what they're gonna do. The next thing you're gonna need is a list of your social media friends and or connections, because you need to be able to copy and paste their name into the script I'm gonna give you in the next slide, and you need to be able to send this to at least 10 people per day. Lastly, what you're gonna need is audacity. It takes a lot of confidence to send this to people. It takes a lot of confidence to believe in your abilities to make this happen. But if you do take these steps, you will see results, you will get some money, you will get paid, and you will owe me some money because I'm putting you on. If you want to make 2024 the best year of your life as a graphic designer, you need to try this. Create a sheet to track prospects and follow up with. Put up a list on Google Sheets like, hey, at blank, I've reached out to them on this day. I'm gonna follow up on this day. I'm gonna hit them up at this time, see what time they get on here, see what time they posted, how often do they post, what are they posting about, how can I interact with them that way. Network with your family and friends. Now this right here has worked perfectly for me. This is how I made my first $1,000. True story. I wrote a script. Hey, I hope you've been good and staying safe. I know this is kind of out the blue, but I own a graphic design company and I'm looking to book more clients this month. I have no idea whether you know someone that might need my graphic design, logo design, or website design services, but if so, I would love to connect with them. Just let me know. Thanks. Real. That got me so many clients, and I came off real because they know I'm not reaching out to spam them. I'm not doing this from an automated post. This is me typing this out, entering their name, sending it to 10 people a day. That's all I did. 10 people a day on my list. I had 756 friends. I hit 10 of them up every single day, win, lose, or draw, and they all responded. And even if they didn't sign with me as clients, they referred me to other people. That's the thing. They need to know you exist. They need to know that you're out here trying. They need to know that at least if I send him somewhere and he has his website link, he has his portfolio link, when I click the link, it's clean, it's productive, it's organized, it looks like he does work. He can show me proof of him doing the work. He can show me how he does his process front to back, back to front. I'm gonna send people his way because I know that he knows what he's doing, he knows what he's talking about. And he has this referral program where if I send him a client, I get $50 just for sending them his way. I don't even gotta do nothing. As long as they sign, what? I'm doing it. But yeah, that is the end of the video, guys. If you got something from it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love to your boy. Follow me on Instagram. Show me some love over there. Y'all help me grow the channel a lot, man. We got more content coming this year. We finna go crazy. We hitting 10,000 subscribers this year. I don't care what nobody say. Yes, I'm at 274. Yes, it's gonna grow more. That's a bar. Peace.